Hello everyone, I welcome you all in our virtual classes program of JetKids International School, School at Home, Class 6, Subject Mathematics, and I am your mathematics teacher JM Khan. And today we are going to continue our exercise 3.2 from question 6. So without wasting time, let us start, and hope you have done that chart of 1 to 100 and find out the prime numbers by rounding it off, right? So let us start with question number 6. Okay, so question number 6, express the following as the sum of two odd number. Okay, two odd prime number, sum of two odd prime number. Okay, so first thing is given, that is 44, right? Now you have to give a pair of number, okay, those number on which adding we get 44, but these two numbers should be odd prime number. Okay, so we cannot take 2, right? We cannot take 2. If we are taking 3, so how much we require to complete 44? That is 41. But can we say 41 is a prime number? Yes or no? Right. Clear. One more thing we can write, that is in a similar manner we can write 7. If I am taking 5, next 5, so we need 39, right? But 39 is not a prime number, that's why we cannot take this thing. Clear? So we cannot take 5. Next combination, that is next prime number, is 7. If I am taking 7, 7 plus how much? 37. Is 37 odd prime number? Yes, 37 is odd and prime also, and 7 is also odd prime number. So we can say 7 plus this kind of pair you have to make to form 44. And next given thing. Okay, next thing is 36. 36. So as you know, odd prime number, so we cannot take 2. 2 is a prime number, but it is not even. But we are taking 3. We are taking from small prime numbers to make pairs. Okay, if we want 3, then we have to add 3. 3 is odd number, but it is not prime. It is divisible by 11, right? Next, that means 5. We are taking 5. 5 plus how much? 31. Can we say 5 plus 31 is equals to 30? Yeah. But 5 is odd prime number. Is 31 is odd prime number? Yes, 31 is odd as well as prime number. How? Because the factors of 31 is 1 and the number itself. Okay. Clear? Next thing. I think this one is A, B, and C is 24. A, B, and C. C is 24. Now, if I am writing 3, so we need to add 21. But 21 is odd but not prime, because 7 3s are. We cannot take this thing. Now 5. 5 plus how much? 5 plus 19. Okay. 5 plus 19, 24. Yes. 5 is odd and prime. Okay. 19 is odd as well as prime. So we can take this pair. Okay. Always remember the question, express the following as the sum of two prime. Sum of 2 prime, you need to express this 44 as a sum of 2 prime, 36 as a sum of 2 prime, 24 as a sum of 2 prime number. And next is D, that is 18. Okay, if I am taking 3 plus 15, but 15 is not a prime number, then 5 plus we can write 5 plus 13. Okay, so 5 is also prime number, 13 is also prime number. One more thing we can write here, 7 plus 11, both are prime pairs. Okay, odd prime. Clear? So this is how we are going to write. This is sufficient. Okay, 5 plus 13, that is equals to 18. Both are odd prime numbers. Clear? So just write down or take a snap if you want to. Let us proceed to question number 7. Question number 7 is, give 3 pair of prime number whose difference is 2. Okay. Question number 7. Give 3 pair. Okay. How much? 3 pair of prime number. 3 pair of prime numbers whose difference is 2. So one I am giving you example, one I am giving you hint, then you have to find first. First is 5, 3 and 5. Okay, both are prime numbers, right? And difference between them is 5 minus 3 is equals to 2. Okay, the difference between them is 2 and 3 pair. So how many pairs? 3 pair. 2 more you have to find. You have your chart of that. It is, I think, I don't know the page number, but it is given in 3rd chapter. Okay, so on that chart 1 to 100 and the prime numbers are in a circle. So by using this chart you have to find these 2 more. Okay, so you have 30 seconds to find these 2 whose difference is 2, right? So I am writing here. Okay, now check this. Which one you have written? 41, 43 and 71, 73. Okay, because 43 minus 41 is equals to 2, right? And 73 minus 71 is equals to 2. So these 3 pair you will write in question number 7. Clear? Clear? These 3 pair, 3 and 5, 41 and 43, right? 71 and 73. You need to find out these kind of pairs. Okay, by using that table only. There is no other trick. If you want to find out from base, so it will be little difficult. Okay, you can write over here 7 and 5, because 7 and 5 will also gives us difference of 2. You can write 17 and 19, right? 11 and 13. Different things you can see. Clear? So let us start question number 8. Hope it is clear to all of you. Pair of even number whose difference is 2. Clear? Next, question number 8. Which of the following numbers are prime? Clear? Next thing. Question number 8. Okay, question number 8. What you have to find? Prime numbers. You know how to find prime numbers. Prime number you have to find. First one is 23. We already know. 23. Right? So we know the factor of 23, that is 1 into 23. So factor of 23 will be 1 and 23. Right? That's why 23 is prime number because it has only 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself means 23. Clear? Next one is 51, right? Yeah, next one is 51. Okay, now I am finding the factors of 51. 1 multiplied by 51, 2 multiplied by nothing, but 3 multiplied by 17, because 17 3s are 51. That's why tables are important. Okay, so no need to find further. Just we came to know that it has more than 2 factors. That's why 51 is composite number. Clear? Okay, C. What is C? C is 37, right? Okay, 37. 37 we know very well, 1 multiplied by 37 and no other factor it has. Okay, so we can say only 1 and 37, that's why 37 is prime number. Clear? Is it clear? Okay, now last, that is D. Take a snap, make it fast. If you miss it, rewind and take a snap. 26, right? No need to explain anything, it is even number. Only 2 is an even number which is prime. No other even number is prime. So direct we can write without any explanation. You can write that statement. Only 2 is a even prime number, but 26 is a even number. That's why 26 is a composite number. Clear? So that was our question number 8. So how you will do? This is how you will do it. Next thing, that is question number 9. Question number 9 is write 7 consecutive number. Question number 9. Okay, write 7 consecutive composite number less than 100. 7 consecutive. What is mean by consecutive less than 100? First of all, what is mean by consecutive? Consecutive means continuous. Okay, without any gap. For example, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. How many numbers are there? 7 number. Okay. So these 7 are consecutive number. Okay, consecutive means without any without any discretion, without any gap. Directly 2, 3, 4, 5 consecutive, right? One after one. So less than 100 you need to find out 7 consecutive composite number. Which one? Composite number. Okay. So but less than 100. So this is pH. Okay. I will give you a hint. It lies between 80 to 100. Okay. Simple. Consecutive composite number you have to find. Okay. Not a prime number. Clear? So hint is there. Lies between 80 to 100. Just write it and solve it properly. Clear? Question number 10 is there. Express each of the following number as the sum of 3 odd primes. Wow. See, we already did sum of 2 odd prime. Okay, as a combination of 2 odd prime, right? Now it is given. Express each of the following number as the sum of 3 odd primes. 3 odd prime. So you need to express first 21 is there. Okay. So find out 3 odd prime whose sum is 21. Right? If we cannot take 2 because it is even prime number. 2 is an even prime number, but we need odd prime number. That's why we cannot take 2. Okay. So if I am starting 3, then we need after 3 we need 18, right? But it can we repeat it? But it is not given. Okay, but there is no need to repeat. If I am writing 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 13, right? Clear? 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 13 21. All 3 are odd numbers as well as prime numbers. Clear? I also can write 3 plus 7, that is 10 plus 11. Okay, got it? Clear? So what you will do, you can make two or more answers of the same. Okay, says B, what you have to do? 31. Clear? So you need 31. If you want to do 31, so what you will do? 3. How much left? 28. 28 means, if you take 5, then it will be 8, right? 8 plus 25, no, it won't work. Okay, then you can take 5. Okay, then you can take 7. 5 plus 7, that is 12. 12 plus 19, yeah, we got it. Okay, 5 plus 7, 12. 12 plus 19, how much? 31. But all the three are odd. 5, 7, 19, and all the three are prime. Clear? So you can find some other options. Okay, you have your table, that is chart of 1 to 100. It is already given in notebook and you have to solve it. Okay, next thing is C. Clear? What is C? 53. So 53 and 61 is a PH. 53 and 61 is a PH. Clear? 53 and 61. So you can start it with 3, 7. It is a hint. Or you can start it with 7 or 11. Okay, this is hint. Start it with 3 or 7. Or can say 7 and 11. Here, this is a hint. You will start, if you will start it 11 and 7, so you will find the answer. You will find the pair. Okay. So 53 and 61 is a PH for the question number 9. Okay, let us move to question number 10. It is question number 10, beta. Question number 10. We already done question number 9. Okay. Next thing is question number 11. Write 5 pairs of prime number less than 20 whose sum is divisible by 5. Wow. Impressive questions. Question number 11. Okay, what is it? Write 5 pairs of the prime number less than 20. 5 pairs. Okay. Of number less than 20. It should be less than 20. And one more thing. First, it should be less than 20. You have to make 5 pairs. First, it should be less than 20. And second thing, should be divisible by 5. Clear? It should be divisible by 5. So first, 5. 2 plus 3. Okay. 2 plus 3. Hint is given over there. 3 plus 7. Hint is given there. 3 plus 7. So, but it should be a prime number. Okay. 5 pair of prime number that less than 20 and divisible by 5. So 3 plus 7, that is 10. So first one is 2 plus 3. It will be 5, and 5 is divisible by 5. Next. What is next? Next is 5 plus 5, right? And 13 plus 2, 15. 13 plus 7, right? 13 plus 7, 20. See, both should be prime, right? Yeah. Then 3 plus, it should be less than, these two numbers should be less than. Okay, 3 plus 17. These two number clear. Next thing is 11 plus 19, that is 30. It is less than 20, it is also less than 20, and both are prime. So 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, you can make your own 5. Clear. So here we are done with our question number 11. One is left, that is question number 12, that we will do in our next video with divisibility test. Very important thing and very interesting thing that we are going to discuss in our next video. So be ready and pull up your socks for a practice of this chapter 3. Okay, so in next video we are going to discuss most important thing, that is divisibility test. Okay, thank you so much, stay safe.